Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno, and today I will show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. And to start off, we'll just pinch the screen like this, and you will see a little icon appear on the bottom, wallpapers, tap on it, and then you have options from all the preloaded wallpapers that your device comes with, and you can tap on it to see how it will look. So find something that suits you. And once you're satisfied, you can just tap on the back button and the wallpaper has been changed. You can also go into, for instance, the follower library, and assuming you have some kind of photos or image downloaded from the web, you can then let's actually make one so I can demonstrate it more properly. So I'm gonna use this photo that I have just taken. So you can tap on it, and then you can extend it by tapping on the more, and you will see set as wallpaper right here. You can also position it as you like it, zoom in and out of it, and once you're satisfied, you can tap on set as, and then you get a bunch of options. You can set it on the home screen, a lock screen, both, or tap on cancel. So once you would choose one, it will change basically the wallpaper of whatever you chose. So that's basically how you change the wallpaper, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.